This is Surah Al-Falaq. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Qul a'udhu bi rabbil falaq min sharri ma khalaq wa min sharri ghasiqin idha waqab wa min sharri nafathati fil 'uqad wa min sharri hasidin idha hasad. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, beneficent, the most merciful, I seek refuge in the Lord of daybreak from the evil of that which He created, from the evil of the darkness when it is intense, and from the evil of malignant witchcraft, and from the evil of the envier when he envied. This is the message of this frame that I took. This frame is inside in our room. Dito sa loob ng aming kwarto. Dalawa ito. Meron kami isa sa sala din. So, yung balik Islam, respect and every words of this prayer. Thank you for watching, guys. I just hope that they will enjoy to read this message.